Welcome to Florida, home of beautiful theme parks. Yes, and lots of white sand beaches, not to mention those beautiful sunsets, and definitely lots of adventure. One thing that Florida is known mostly for, and that is our epic winters. That's right, a gardener's paradise where there is lots of sun and lots of beautiful blue skies. So, what do we plant in our gardens in the fall and the winter months? We're about to show you. Plus, you get a chance to look at what's in my garden box. Now, let's talk about collard greens. Collard greens, I call them my ladies. I like the way how they look in my garden. I like the way how they taste. Again, kale is something that grows kind of effortlessly. These I did not start from seed. I actually bought these small sucklings or these smaller plants from the home and garden store. And what happened is they're not organic, but over time as they grow, the soil that I feed them actually has organic compostings in it. So if I'm feeding them that, more than likely they're going to grow with that kind of nutrients, those kinds of nutrients in them. So another thing that we do is composting as usual. We always take the scraps from the kitchen because we like to enrich our soil, feed it the right nutrients, all the scraps and all the minerals that we leave hanging out in the kitchen. We just take it to our garden and then we cover it with some soil so that it breaks down. It breaks down easily. Gives our fruits or veggies the right nutrients that they need. Now there are the regular things that I always have in my garden, like my rosemary, my other herbs, onion, chives, all these other things that I normally have in my garden. But another set of visitors that I have in there that I really am not interested in, and those are the weeds. So I spend a lot of time taking out the weeds out of the garden. Next up, we have kale. I love kale. I do kale shots. I like growing my own because when I grow my own stuff, I know that what's in my soil, I know what's in my irrigation, my water. And so kale is one of those things that I juice a lot. And also I like to lightly steam it. Kale is delicious. And as usual, if you take a look at the screen, you'll see all the nutritional benefits or some of the nutritional benefits that kale provides. So a must in every garden, and I mean every garden when it comes to fall and winter planting, as long as your climate can sustain it, it's Callaloo. Whether or not you're from the islands or you just like that island vibe or whatnot, Callaloo is one of those veggies that you want. It's loaded with chlorophyll, loaded with extra vitamin A, antioxidants, fiber, iron, you name it, Callaloo has it. Alright guys, it seems as if we're at the end of this video, but I am looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. You don't want to miss it. I want to introduce you guys to this thing called dandelion tea. It's actually native to the islands. It's not like your regular dandelion, so you want to stick around for that. That one is also very good, very tasty, and this one grows effortlessly in your garden. Once again, my friend, let's stay in top flight. Let us help each other to be the best expression of ourselves. See you at the top.